Hello everybody. I just released these new poster style templates and I wanted to share with you how I use them to make a poster for my girls' room. So I used, go to the template here, I used Best Day Ever template and it's a 12 by 12. So all I'm going to do is go to Image, Canvas Size, and I'm going to use inches. I'm going to change it to 11 by 17 because that's the poster size I wanted. I'll hit OK, and then it's going to ask me, because it's 11 by 17 and not 12 by 12, it's going to be a little bit smaller, but it shouldn't affect the layer. So I'm going to proceed. And as you can see, I have my new background layer here. I'll just make this layer bigger, and now I have my poster size template, and I would just scrapbook it like you would normally scrapbook a 12 by 12. And here is my finished page. And I'm going to show you some of my other images. There's my finished printed poster hanging in my girls' room. I used this kit from Becca Bonneville. These are unicorns. My daughter loves unicorns. It's called Good Vibes. And I used the papers from that same kit. And then I also used Dinomite papers and the Dinomite elements because my other daughter loves dinosaurs. So I hope that helps you maybe make a poster for your children.